So let's go over what's inside this bag. This is the mattress. This is the air pad. Then we have the actual tent itself, the hammock itself here. We got the cover here, and we got the stakes. And we got all the straps. And we got even more stakes. The first step is to take the green straps, these green ones here, and I wrap them around the tree about 3 meters, or 3 feet up. 1 meter or 3 foot, it says. And these are the ones where the hammocks are actually the loops. So it's the loop straps. They call them the 16-in-1 straps or whatever it is. So we're going to do that 3 feet up around this tree. Roughly right here. So next we're going to take the hammock itself and we're going to clip the carabiners onto the tree straps. Now it's saying insert the gold aluminum poles. All right, so there's a D-ring or a grommet right here on this strap, and that is where you're going to put this. So let's do it the easy way. You're going to want to insert this into the grommet, and there's this little strap right here that connects to it. So apparently I skipped a step. We're supposed to put in the black rods first. And these fit underneath the bottom here. And it does not matter which way you do it. And there is like a little holder here for it to go. And this stretches the whole hammock itself out. Now these other straps are supposed to go around the tree 2 times. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we're gonna try. These little things, you put this through here and you just tension it down and it'll clamp down on it right there. And we'll do the same thing here. Put it through, clamp down on it. It's supposed to be tight, but we're going to loosen it up so we can get it around the other tree on the other side first. All right. I'm just going to do it real tight and very snug. In here, this is going to, oh yeah. All right, so I can honestly say that this thing has, it may look like it on the video, but when I'm laying in it, I am literally flat. So this lines up with that one, and this one will line up with this one. This bungee strap right here just connects to this tree strap. And these little toggles connect under here, like so. It velcros, and you could roll it up, or you can, they got little toggles here that you can stick this into. All right, so the directions say to put everything back in this bag, put this bag inside of that bag. This is your dry bag, remember? I want to see, can we get everything back in there? So we have our actual hammock here, and I'm not the best folder in the world. Now here, clipped on like this. Let's see how small can we get it. Shut that. Kind of vacuum sealed it all up. Put this dude back in here. And yes, it will work. Okay, cool. So put the straps in there. Put all the tent stakes back in there. And I'll zip this dude up. Somebody let me know if this is how you would do it or not in the comments. All right, and then clip it. Clip this puppy right here. And then tighten it up. And tighten it up. Okay, that's it. I got it back in the bag. Everything fit the way it's supposed to go. All right. Hey, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. God bless you.